Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an interesting topic that we want to share with you. If you are using your iPhone with CarPlay, we will show you how you can automatically set Apple Music to play sound whenever you connect to your car. It's a very handy trick. Follow these simple steps. Open Shortcuts application. Tap the Automation tab that is in the middle of the navigation bar at the bottom. Here tap on New Automation if you're not set it yet. Otherwise tap on plus sign at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on the CarPlay option right here. Make it run immediately. And tap on Next. Here choose New Blank Automation. Let's search for the Play Music option. Tap on it. So, here, if you tap on Music, your library will pop up. And you can choose your playlist. I am not subscribed to Apple Music, but it will look like this. So every time when I connect my iPhone to a CarPlay, it will automatically play this playlist. And you are free to come here and change your playlist. That will be it for this tutorial, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.